Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Studio. In this video, I want to tell you guys the method to get RDP monthly subscription for free. In this way, you can enjoy cloud computing without having any credit card, bank account or payment method. But make sure to watch the entire video. Follow all steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. All the information provided on this channel are for educational purposes only. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. The channel is no way responsible for any misuse of the information. So first of all, you need this application. Road clients. All data, all details, all links will be available in my website. So make sure to check that out as well. So pause the video and install this RDP application. After that, open your browser. Then go to this XR Cloud site. Here you can all their details and services that they are offering. From here, click on Create an account. Then open desktop site if you are using Android or iOS for better view. Here you have to create your account. For email, you can use this temp mail site. Here you can get unlimited mails, or you can create your own emails as well. Here you can see all their features. So copy your mail from here. Go to Cloud site. Now put your email. Then put all other credentials. For verification, they will send you an OTP. For that, go to your mail. Simply refresh inbox. Here you can see this is OTP. So simply verify your account using this. After that, for payment method, simply skip it. Now click on free trial to get it. Here are all features of your RDP. You can customize them according to your usage. In the operating system, you have multiple options to choose from. After that, click on Next. Then here you will find all networking settings. Again, click on Next. Here you can change your remote desktop name and password. So create its password. Then agree their terms for free trial. Then click on Buy Now. Here you can see this is our RDP requests. So each RDP is valid for 1 hour. After that you have to create a new one. So simply click on Create. Then for payment method, again skip it. So this is your remote desktop details. You have to wait for a couple of minutes, up to 5 minutes for RDP activation. Here you can see further details and features they are offering.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe.
Also, you can see that we have free trial for whole month.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the
After some time, simply refresh the page. Now you can see our cloud desktop is resetting up. Again, after some time, refresh the site. As you can see, our cloud desktop is finally activated. Also, you can use these more actions for your remote desktop. Then click on RDP. Here you can connect it in two ways. I am using remote desktop application. For that, make sure to first download RDP application and file as well. Then simply open your file. Here simply put your password. Then click on connect. As you can see, our cloud desktop is connected and running successfully. For better view, let me rotate phone to landscape. Here, this is our RDP running smoothly. So first let me download and install Chrome.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Browser. After that, simply open your browser.
I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes.
And then for network testing, I am opening YouTube site. As you can see, YouTube is working fine here.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need
here. Also let me open my website where you will find all details of my YouTube videos.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty.
Now you can shut down your desktop in this way. That's for all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment if face any issue. Subscribe for more amazing content like these. Peace out.